Para sa akin, napaka-excellent ng Batang Quiapo because pinag-uusapan niya or kinikwento niya yung nangyayari sa kapanahunan ngayon in a very entertaining way. I think the show was very bold and very brave for that, and I really commend Direk Coco Martin for tackling that, lalo na ngayon na nasa init tayo ng issue. So ang galing kasi for something so complicated like corruption, the show simplifies it for the viewers to understand what it is. So at least pag tumanda sila, aware na sila kung ano ang korupsyon at paano siya gumagana. Ang laki ng inaambag ng Batang Quiapo sa bansa natin. Kasi nga, like I said, hindi mo nakita na hindi mo nakita sa ibang programa kung paano sinasalamin ng Batang Quiapo ang mga nangyayari sa kapanahunan ngayon. You know, when you look back on the projects that me and Coco Martin have done in the past, like tayong dalawa, ikaw lamang, Panday, it's all very iconic. So, for me, I wouldn't accept a project with him knowing that I can't do my best. I have to give my best. And for me to be quite honest with you, I'm very, very much proud of what I've done in the show. At saka sobra akong taos-puso nagpapasalamat sa tao kasi kahit gaano kasama yung character ko, ginagalang pa rin nila yung pagkagawa ko ng character. It's very different from who I am. Sobra akong nagpapasalamat sa show sa opportunity na ibinigay niya, for us. Kasi pambihira yun na when you get a group of actors, nilagay mo sa set with no script and then told us to be a family. It's very difficult na hindi kayo nagsasapawan, na hindi kayo nagpapagalingan, na nagpapaliksahan ng kung sino pinakamagaling umarte. So for me, I enjoyed every single day of taping in the show with my family, with Miss Angel, Albert, Tito Dante, Chandra Romero, Paolo Paraiso. We really became a family, and parang there was not a day na I didn't look forward to taping for Batang Quiapo, and parang there was not a day I didn't go home satisfied as well. It has been an absolute honor. I enjoyed every single day taping Batang Quiapo. It was truly, truly, truly a blessing to do it. Maraming salamat sa pagsuporta at higit sa lahat, maraming salamat sa pagmamahal na pinakita at pinaramdam niyo sa akin. Sa lahat po ng nanonood ng Batang Quiapo, ako'y nagpapasalamat magmula sa aking puso. Maraming salamat. Mamimiss ko po kayong lahat.